I find it crazy, right? I was doing too much my last video, overdid the background, overdid it. So I'm gonna just talk about it because I think this is important, but a lot of people don't see it as important. I see. Like we literally living in some ends of times type shit. And it ain't a YouTube video that you could fathom that could really grasp the reality of what's going on right now. So many different sides of the stories, so much new stuff coming out that how would you like to know that music like yo, relationships, music, online exchange and online tech type shit, like the technology being able to manipulate and be able to see through images and manipulate images with you in them, like editing videos, creating fake avatars of different genders. The You could create an avatar of a woman and like literally have people thinking it's a woman. YouTube channel or Instagram account or whatever, have the AI literally, like, you can become a AI pimp now and pimp out the opposite gender. You can have 10 different accounts with 10 different women and you a grown ass man behind all of them now. It's opening up different avenues of revenue because if the right, like if you use this in the right way, you could actually use, it's a little power behind that if you use it the right way or wrong. I mean, like clerks, cashiers, Uber drivers, Lyft drivers, the police, operators, teachers, scientists, cave divers, anything computer related. Like, AI is about to take so many people, already done took so many people jobs. It's about to take our livelihood. And it's like we're just creating AI to replace us. Stuff that we already do. They making robots look exactly like humans, and nobody see nothing wrong with that. You could create a robot with 4 or 5 arms. Why do you got to give robots fingers? Why do you got to give robot? It's a that you don't have. We already have us. What the hell are we doing? Creating another form of us, but better. Who does this? When I tell you, man, God gonna send us a raft out of this world. I want to know, man, what y'all think of this AI stuff? Y'all think it's going to take y'all jobs? Y'all going to start using it for evil before other people do, and get rich before other people do, and it becomes so many people doing it is played out? What's y'all plans for this AI stuff? A lot of people got some diabolical plans. Some people is using them right now. Y'all better get hip to the game, man. Things done changed. You don't even like YouTube videos, man. You could just have somebody auto make your whole damn video. Go ahead, say this, say that, image here, image here. AI create the image. I'm gonna put the audio over the image. Done. You don't even need content creation is done. Like somebody could take your image and create a whole nother channel over it, like out of it, and take your voice and put that behind it. And it's like it's mankind is cooked. It's cooked. Well done. Crazy.